Hey everyone, welcome back to Waybeing. If you're new here, I'm a doctor passionate about helping you live a healthier life, and today we're diving deep into the world of probiotics and gut health. Now, you might have heard a bit about probiotics, those tiny superheroes living in your digestive system. But what really are they? Simply put, probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. We usually think of bacteria as something that causes diseases, but your body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good or friendly bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. I recently had a fascinating chat with Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned nutritionist who shed some light on how these powerful supplements can boost not only our digestive health, but also our overall immunity and wellness. According to Dr. Smith, incorporating probiotics into our diet can help balance the friendly bacteria in our digestive system, which is crucial for digesting food and absorbing nutrients. But that's not all. Dr. Smith also highlighted some recent studies showing that probiotics can enhance our immune system, fight against obesity, and even improve mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. It's all about the gut-brain connection, a hot topic in the science world today. Now you might be wondering how you can add more probiotics into your life. Well, it's simpler than you think. You can start by increasing your intake of fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Or, if you prefer, there are also probiotic supplements that you can take daily. I encourage you to check out the links in the description below, where you can read the full interview with Dr. Smith and get more insights into the science of probiotics. There, you'll also find testimonials from people who have seen dramatic improvements in their health after incorporating probiotics into their routine. Remember to subscribe for more health tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media and visit our website for more wellness resources. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health.